Let us look at proposition number 17 of works of Archimedes, specifically from on conoids and spheroids. The proposition says, if two parallel planes touch any of the spheroidal figures and another plane be drawn parallel to the tangent planes and passing through the center, the line drawn through any point of the circumference of the resulting section parallel to the chord of contact of the tangent planes will fall outside the spheroid. So let's take it step by step. Given a spheroid, draw two parallel tangent planes touching the spheroid at PP prime. So let's draw the planes. So we have this as one plane touching the spheroid at P, and we have another plane touching the spheroid at P prime, and O is the center, and if we join PP prime, it will pass through the center. We have seen in this in the previous proposition. Cut the spheroid by a plane parallel to the tangent planes passing through the center. So we have to draw another plane, or rather cut the spheroid by a plane parallel to both these two planes and passing through the center. So now this plane is the cutting plane which is cutting the spheroid passing through the center. Now the intersection between the cutting plane and the spheroid forms a conic. It could be a circle or it could be a ellipse. So this is the intersection between the cutting plane and the spheroid. Now take a point A on the conic and draw a line AB parallel to the chord PP prime, intersecting the tangent planes at B and C. So let's take a point A. Let's draw a line parallel to PP prime, and let's mark the intersection of this line with this tangent plane as B and this tangent plane as C. So what the proposition is saying is that this BC will fall outside the spheroid. Do a little bit of construction just to give you an idea. Now, line BC is a tangent to the conic of intersection of the cutting plane and the spheroid. So BC is the tangent to this conic. Why? Because remember, these two planes are parallel to each other. B and P lie on this tangent plane. That means it is tangent to this spheroid. Similarly, CP prime is the tangent lying on this tangent plane. These two planes are parallel. Now the plane in the center is also parallel to these two. That means OA is parallel to BP is parallel to CP prime. And very specifically, OA is perpendicular to CB, passing through A. And A is the point of contact between BC and the conic of intersection. So that means BC lies outside the spheroid except at A, the point of contact. Pretty straightforward. So that is proposition number 17 of works of Archimedes, specifically from on conoids and spheroids. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it. And if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.